Alright, we're back. Now, so I've already put these together. These are going to go on the edge of the building, and they're kind of cool looking. I'll show you in a minute. But the way I put these together was I took one of these 1x1 little details and put it on a 1x2 stud and lined it up a little bit, and there you go, look. And I did that 16 times. Now I'm going to show you where these go, which is really cool. So they go like this. Yeah. There's one there. One there. Remember, these are going to be the studs that sit on top. This is going to be the roof part. I'm going to add some more detail to it, and then we're going to have ourselves a building that can go on my Lego table. Okay, so I just want to make sure those are somewhat flat. Like that. Okay. Then I've got enough to go all the way around. Like this. Oop. That always happens, so what I do is I put this on like this, and there you go. I did have to use a black piece as a stud for the two sides because I didn't have one. That's okay, because it's going to blend in. Hardly ever doggone see it. See? Just kind of gets buried, so you don't have to use color for color. You can use some other types of color if you don't have the right color, because like on top here, no one's going to see the top of the roof unless they stand on, and look down at it. That one's like that. This one's going to go here. Again, I had to use a white. And this one's going to go here, like I said. That's how that's going to look. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so we have a little bit of time here. I'm going to build this next thing. Okay, so I need to follow this to the letter. So I need two of these. One's going to go there. The other one's going to go here. That. Nope. I'm going to glue it on there in a minute. There we go. Like that. This one's done the same thing. Just a little bit of pressure there, and we're in business, if you will. I'm going to take these, and I'm going to go. Okay, so I need two of these types. Don't worry, I'll show it to you. I'm just going to put these on like that. And I need one of these. Wait. I need this one here. Oh, I see what they're doing. They're just alternating. Okay. One there. One there. That. And the last one goes there. Like that. Then we're going to do the same thing here. And this one's going to go here. And then we're going to do the same thing here. And then this one is going to go like that. Okay. And then I need to put this here. That like that. Because remember, you want to hide things. Aha. And this is going to go here. And this one is going to go here. Like that. Then these go like this. This one's going to go like that. Then I'm going to have one like that. One like that. One like this. Then like this. This is what's going to go here. This one's going to go here. Okay, this last one's going to go there. And that's basically going to be the top of the roof, as you can see. You know, kind of cool the way they've got this all built out. And, you know, when you look at the front of it, it's going to hide those features that we were talking about. So, like, subscribe, comment, and follow my videos for more. See you in the next video.